I want to show you guys something. You see the side, you see how clean that is. You will never get something that clean or that nice using a hairdryer or a heat blower. So what I did to make this look. So guys, Dbrand here. In this video I'll be showing you a quick installation of the Dbrand skin on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is for people out there who do not want to rock their phone with a case, or sometimes you just feel like exposing your phone because it's so beautiful. Like, why would you want to rock this on a case? If it breaks, it's on you though. I'll see you back there when we start installation. Alright guys, so here it is. One thing you want to make sure you do is make sure your surface of where you're installing your Dbrand skin is always clean. So make sure you have a clean surface. And yeah, let's dive into this. So now I'm gonna get rid of the case of the iPhone, keep the iPhone in there. And the Dbrand actually comes with it comes with a microfiber cloth which you would need to clean your phone to make sure that the phone is clean and there is nothing on the surface, to prevent you from having something that is not like really stick to the or adhere to the back of your phone. So clean, that looks fair enough. So first thing to know when you have the Dbrand skin is that it comes in pair. So there is the full one which covers the whole phone and covers the side as well, and there is also the single one which just covers the back. 1, 2. So like I said, they come in pair. So that's the full one which will cover your phone and the side is stainless steel, and there is just the back one which covers just your back and you have here exposed. I'll start with this one. All right, so I'm confused guys, so fuck it, I'll go with the one I like. I always like to go with this. So it's very easy. All you need to do is make sure you align. Take this side off, and then align like that. I don't want this cutout. For now, I'm not thinking about having the cutout, so I'm just gonna keep that somewhere. So make sure it's aligned properly.
A few moments later.
I think this is the most important part. It feels different, bro. It feels really different on the iPhone 13. Jeez, could this be the reason why people are not installing this?
Tomorrow for sure.
Wow, it feels fucking different. Excuse my language, but damn, it feels fucking different.
Eventually, 12 o'clock midnight.
This is the most difficult Dbrand skin I have ever installed in my life, guys, I swear. And for some reason, you don't feel protected. Like, this is the first time I'm installing a Dbrand skin and I don't feel like my phone is being protected. I'm still scared. So it basically looks like there is nothing on this. Yes, my iPhone looks cool, different compared to every other iPhone 13 Pro Max out there because of the Dbrand skin, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna rock a case. I swear down, when I was installing this, I thought I could use this without a case, but after the installation, hell yeah, I do fucking need a case. So this is for anyone if you're installing a Dbrand skin, for example, and you don't have a hairdryer. So long story short, if you want to use the iron, make sure you have a cotton shirt. For example, maybe you have something like this. I'm going to use a white long sleeve shirt, and the side, the edges or the sides that you want to iron, put these on the phone like that. Take the iron and then just iron like that. So this is not the first time I'm doing this. I've done that for my Dbrand skin on my iPad Pro. I've done the same. So I've used the same move for my Dbrand skin on my iPad Pro, and like you can see, it's still very alright, like still very good. If I can get this to focus. So yeah, so I've done the same on my iPhone, and it is really stunning, guys, like dope. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. I will also, if you want to check my Dbrand skin on the iPad Pro installation, and also comparing the Dbrand skin to other skin for your iPhone and iPads out there, make sure you watch the video in the link below, where I'll be comparing Dbrand to other ones, because I will tell you the difference, and maybe this could be of help. So don't think because Dbrand skin is more expensive and you find a cheaper one. I'll just advise you watch the video before you buy any skin. One thing I did not explain about when I said if you use a cotton, if you're using a white shirt and to iron that, make sure you have, like for example, see the sides. I want to show you guys something. You see the side, you see how clean that is. You will never get something that clean or that nice using a hairdryer or a heat blower. So what I did is put that on the surface you're using. Take your electric iron, put this there. You see the camera side, you want to go like that, follow the edges. Where is it? So it's here. So you want to follow the edges, the end, and then turn. You do the same here. You do the same thing following the edge. You turn, you follow the edge. So just do that, do that, do that. I'll show you again. Towards the edge. See, I'm just giving a line up. And by the time you finish, guys, trust me, there will be nothing as good as this. Nothing. So that's it, guys. Dbrand iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold Edition.